I'm making this video because my cousin just forwarded me a video she found on TikTok. This video calls for a it's for people who have cancer. It's supposed to be good for that. But what happened to me today, all day I had acid in my stomach and it was very, very, very painful all day. So I said to myself, what do I have to lose? Let me try it. So what it is, this one here is I took 7 leaves of soursop and then I made a tea out of it. As you can see, it's just a cup. And then this is turmeric. This one is baking soda. And this is garlic. I'm going to blend them together and drink it tonight before I go to bed because the pain was really, really painful. It was unbearable. So that's why I'm doing it. And then also this is pure unfiltered honey. I'm going to put in there. This is after I do it, I'm going to strain it in there. I'm not going to take a lot. I'm just looking to get 1 cup of it because the guy in the video said it's a very strong remedy. It's a very strong remedy and it should only be taken twice a week. So let's get started and with it. I just got home from work and you're not going to see me because I wash my face. I have a facial in there, so that's why you cannot see my face. But I'm going to do it tonight and drink it, and I will let you know the resolution. But the pain was really, really painful today, and I just want to do something. I just want to try it and see what's going on. What do I have to lose? Either I die after I drink it, or I wake up tomorrow and feeling better. Hopefully I get healed. So let's get started. So this is a soursop. I make a cup of tea, as you can see. I'm going to power it into my blender. This is a very powerful blender. And I'm going to take the turmeric. I don't know. The guy didn't tell me how much do I put, so I'm putting 4. He didn't say, as a matter of fact, he said to make a tea out of it, but it was so painful. I want to try it to blend it for it to be stronger because when you blend things, if I would boil it, it's stronger than that. So this is it. Okay, this is it, the turmeric, and then I'm putting it into the blender. Okay, and I'm taking the garlic. As you can see, it's one. It's like it's this is a big one, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the remedy call for garlic, but it has to be violet. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to put it in there, and then I'm going to blend it. After I blend it, I'm going to strain it, and then I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda on it, and then the honey. Okay, so let's get it going. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm about to put it together so I can blend it for you to see. Okay, I put it in there. This is really a very powerful blender, and It called the, what is it called? Can I see? Can I see the blender name? It's a will mix blender. So it's a very powerful. Yeah, there it is. No, Vitamix blender. So let's get it going because it's so painful right now. I just want to do it, and hopefully I get some relief because today was very, very bad for me. So let's get started. So you can see it's close. So I'm going to start it on low. And then I'm going. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it into this cup for you to see. Let me strain it in here. It's kind of very difficult because I'm doing it with one hand. And okay, there it is. There it is. Okay. This is my first time doing it. Oh my god. This is my first time doing it. Hopefully but I will let you know the result. But you can, according to him, you can only do it like I'm not going to drink a lot because it seems like it's a very strong medication, remedies. So I don't want. I wish I can show you that I'm drinking it, but with my face, with the facial in there, I'm doing a facial. It's going to be very difficult. So, and then I'm going to put the baking soda. Oh, I think I should get something else, right? Let me put it in there instead. Because, you know, baking soda is going to make... Oh, I thought it was going to make... What that called? When you put baking soda on thing. Oh, it doesn't have lemon. It's when I make lemon is... Okay. So, and then I'm going to take honey. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon. I'm going to put a teaspoon of honey in there. And then I'm going to drink it. After that, I'm going to wash my face and go to bed because if you this is my first. I remember what I said. This is my first time doing it. If you don't hear me anymore, I might not wake up. No, I'm just kidding. God is going to make me wake up. And oh my Lord. But my mom, I'm going to also... What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't want to drink a lot because you know why? Because he said that is a very strong. He said the way he talks, it seems like it's very strong. So I don't want to drink a lot. I'm just going to. This is what I'm going. This is the cup I'm going to have, and then this is what I'm going to drink before I go to bed tonight. Hopefully tomorrow my my goal, my dream, my I'm hoping that the Lord is going to make this heal that stomach. I'm going to do it today, and then after that I'm going to do it again on Sunday, and I'm going to do it twice a week until I completely heal, and then I will leave a comment for you to see, to show you how I'm doing, because I know people that suffer with acid in their stomach. It's a lot of people, and then I'm hoping that I get some result, and then I can share with you, and then this way you can do it too, um, for you to get a better health. And thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, comment on this video, and may the Lord bless you. I wish I can show you when I'm drinking it. Unfortunately, I can't because my face is filled with white stuff on it. And I will do one on Sunday again. On the one on Sunday, I can show you. May the Lord bless you, and bye-bye. Oh, to tell you the truth, it wasn't that bad at all. You didn't have no like um taste. It wasn't like tasting nasty or anything. No, it's really, I got worse than that. It wasn't really that bad at all. So, and then I feel it going to my stomach. And thank you for watching, and then I hope you like this video, and let's get healthy together. Okay, bye bye.